my channel. It feels so good to be on here making vlogs and recipe videos again for you guys. I am in our cabin kitchen. If you guys caught my vlog last week where I did the cabin reveal, I showed you guys that we got the new countertops in and we have the new backsplash now. I still need to paint the uppers, but I'll show you guys a little before and after a little later in this video. Real quick before I show you guys how to make this delicious recipe, I want to let you guys know that the Truth About Weight Loss Summit is here again. It's an annual conference and it's completely free, but you do have to register. So in the description box, I put the registration link for you guys. This is where incredible medical doctors like Dr. Neil Barnard, Dr. John McDougall, Dr. Joel Furman, the list goes on, come together along with other keynote speakers to talk about sustainable weight loss on plant-based diets. These are the doctors and the information that completely transformed my life. I watched all of these conferences. I have all the books, and it was with this information that I was able to lose 70 pounds and keep it off. So again, it's completely free, but you do have to register. So register as soon as possible. The conference starts February 18th and goes through the 27th. It's like all day long and it's free to watch live. So if you miss something and you want to go back, you can purchase the videos already recorded and they come with the notes as well. But if you purchase the recorded video package, when you sign up, that is going to be at the most discounted price. So if you don't pay for it when you sign up, that's totally fine. But if you decide later in the conference or at the end of the conference or after the conference that you do want to go ahead and purchase the recordings of the whole conference so that you have them to refer to, you can still purchase them. It's just going to be at a little bit higher price. So definitely, if you think you're going to want it, purchase it when you sign up because that's going to be the lowest price for the conference. Otherwise, it's completely free to watch. Check out the schedule, look at all the speakers, and soak in all of that information. Part of why I was so successful maintaining my weight loss long term is because I continued to keep the information in front of me. I continued to digest it and implement it in my daily life. We also have the yearly weight loss book bundle coming up in just 2 days on February 3rd. I can't release the link yet, but on the 3rd, I will release the link for you guys. So I will keep you guys posted on that one, and I will post as soon as you guys can get your hands on that one. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make my cozy winter and wild rice and mushroom gnocchi soup. That was a mouthful. But this is so comforting and warming. It's great for weight loss. I'll give you guys the calorie and macro breakdown at the end of the video. And if you want to make it even more weight loss friendly, you can swap out the gnocchi for some cubed potatoes. But the gnocchi is necessary in my opinion because it's like a yummy little dumpling. It's like dumpling soup, which was one of my favorites growing up. And I don't have this recipe up on my website yet because I don't know how to add recipes to my website once we redid it. So in the meantime, I will put the recipe in the description box for you guys. All right, let's get cooking.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with dicing all of the vegetables. I have some sweet onion, a stalk of celery, and 2 carrots. So once I get that all diced up, I'm going to get a pot heated over medium-high heat. These are those green pans that I like. I'll link them below for you guys. I just got them off of Amazon, but I do really like them. So then I'm going to add the onions to the pot and the carrots. Then I'm going to add the celery and give that a mix. And I'm just going to get that browning up. And then while those cook, I got the rice cooking and I just put it in the Instapot because I don't want to deal with it over the stove. So as you can see, the onions are nice and browned and I didn't have to use any oil. And so then I'm going to add a little bit of this garlic. If you want to mince your own garlic, you are my hero. Go for it. Otherwise, this is what I use. Then I'm going to add about 16 ounces of mushrooms. Now, if you're someone who doesn't love mushrooms or you have someone that doesn't love them, dice them up into smaller pieces and it's much more enjoyable. So then I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic salt to this so that it helps the mushrooms release their water and cook down. I also usually add a little splash of water to help get the process going. And then you see here in the bottom of the pan, like all these brown bits get kind of built up, and this has a ton of flavor. So I like to add a little water to that once the mushrooms are cooking down and kind of scrape that up off the pot, because that is a lot of extra flavor for the mushrooms to soak up. Add a few of these bouillon cubes. This is completely optional.
Okay, so I tend to get railed in the comments by people that think I should be making my vegetable broth from scratch. But here's the thing, is I'm not going to. But I really do like the flavor of these guys. This is not a sponsored video, but hey, Edward and Sons, if you want to sponsor a video, let me know. But these have shea butter in them, and if you're trying to really stay, you know, fat-free with your broths and stuff, here's my trick. So I will make my broth ahead of time. Today I'm not, because I'm just doing the video, but if you want to get the fat out of this, all you have to do is make your broth ahead of time, put it in the fridge, the fat will solidify at the top, and then all you have to do is scrape it off, and then you have all of that flavorful broth. If you can't find these, or you don't want to use them because you don't like something that's in the ingredients, then just season it to taste with garlic, salt, and pepper, and it will still come out excellent. But if you are interested in these, I will link them for you in the description box below. I find them in the regular grocery store and the natural food stores, and I only pay about $2.29 a box.
So again, this is optional, but I like to add 2 to 3 cubes. Then I add the water to make the yummy broth. So now I'm going to turn the heat up so this comes up to a boil. And these are the gluten-free gnocchi that I'm going to use. You don't have to use gluten-free. These are the regular.
So if you're not gluten-free, then the regular gnocchi is inexpensive. It is actually pretty easy to make, but it's a lot of steps. So I like to buy mine made. However, if you are gluten-free, these suckers are so expensive. They're like $7 a box. A few towns over, we have a really cool discount market where I can find these for like $1.85 a box on occasion, and I will just like buy as much as I can. But as soon as that stops happening, I may have to start making my own gnocchi. So maybe I'll work on that. Maybe I'll work on a gluten-free gnocchi recipe for you guys.
So I'm going to add some fresh thyme sprigs to this while it comes up to a boil to add some flavor. You can use dried as well. All right, and here is what my kitchen is currently looking like. Again, I need to paint those uppers white, and then I think we will be good to go. This is what it looked like before. As you can see, the counters were these green soapstone, and then on the wall was like this cream colored beadboard with some of these kind of green herb tiles. It was definitely cute, but I wanted to add my own touch. All right, so now the broth is simmering, so I'm gonna add all of the gnocchi, and it really only takes a few minutes. They will float and be soft and plump when they are done. And then you just wanna start adding your rice.
Whew, it is hot in here, guys. I've got the wood-burning stove going and cooking soup. Whew, I'll show you guys my cute little stove.
Here she is. Look at, she's so pretty. This is how we heat our cabin. It's so cute. I love having it. Now everything's done cooking, so I'm going to remove these thyme sprigs and turn off the heat, and then I'm going to add some almond milk. I found this one, it was on sale and had very minimal ingredients, so I'm going to add 2 cups of that to my broth. You could also thicken this with cornstarch and water or some arrowroot powder, both of which I do not have. So now I'm going to season it with a little garlic, salt, and pepper to taste, and then I'm going to add a little bit more of this fresh thyme because it's so pretty and flavorful, and then some fresh parsley, and that's it. It's so yummy and comforting. It makes for great leftovers as well.
All right, and that's it, guys. It comes together really quick. It's so yummy. And if you wanted to thicken this, you could use cornstarch and water or arrowroot powder, both of which I'm out of. Otherwise, I would thicken it for sure. But it's super hearty. It's a crowd pleaser in my house. Gnocchi is so good. I know I'm getting tons and tons of requests for my updated makeup tutorial, and I promise I will get to it. It's just, to be honest, I put it off a lot because I am not a makeup influencer. So, but I have changed my routine. No, I don't have lip filler. I just changed the color of lip liner I use. But the internet loves their gossip. So yes, I will still be getting to that at some point, hopefully soon. All right, guys, well, remember you can still get my Plantifully Wholesome cookbook, and that is my family style cookbook. All those recipes are still great for weight loss, and we are unfortunately sold out of the physical copy, but you can get it in ebook, and it is currently 25% off. You can also pick up Plantiful Kids, which is all of my kid-friendly meals. I love when you guys send me in your pictures of you cooking with your kids from that cookbook. It is my favorite thing, so keep doing that. And that one we still have physical copies available in, and I will link everything for you guys below. So my weight loss guide and cookbook will be available in stores near you in a few short months. For those of you that didn't get a copy before it went off the market, because my new publisher took it over and we revamped it and added a bunch to it and expanded the meal plan from a 1-week meal plan to a 28-day meal plan. So that's what will be new in it. For those of you that have the prior version, I really expanded the informational section. I talked a lot more about protein, fat, and carbs, because those are the biggest questions people have when it comes to a plant-based diet. So yes, it is currently off the market because it is being re-released with a new cover and new interior in a few short months. I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell you what stores I'm going to be in. So that will be available soon. I will be announcing it and everything once it is up for pre-order. And remember, you can up the weight loss power of any meal by using the 50-50 plate. And that's where you fill half your plate full of non-starchy veggies and the other half with the starch that you choose to eat, which can be potatoes, rice, beans. And you always start with your non-starchy vegetables first so that you fill up on the lowest calorie, most nutrient dense foods first. If you want to know more about that and you're new to my channel, poke around on my channel, especially my maximum weight loss playlist. I go over this in lots of detail for you guys. And again, if you don't already have the previous version of my best-selling weight loss guide and cookbook, Plantifully Lean, it will be re-releasing here in a few short months. All right, guys, well, that is it for me today. I think the next video, I'm gonna do another day in my life vlog, show you guys how I eat. You guys really wanna see all of the renovations. I finally have all of my furniture in the cabin, so I'll be able to show you guys all of the updates we've been making and more about life here in the mountains of Colorado on our little homestead. And don't forget to reserve your spot at this year's Truth About Weight Loss Summit. Remember, again, it's completely free. This is the one time a year where they come together and just flood you with all of the information that you're gonna need to be successful and healthy on the plant-based diet long term. All right, remember to love yourselves and spread that love to somebody else. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.